Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, Blinzador Antifungal Spray 2025. Is it a scam or actually legit? If you've been seeing this product pop up online, promising fast relief from foot and toenail fungus, you'll want to stick around. Blinzador is marketed as a quick-drying, scent-free antifungal spray made with natural ingredients like unisolinic acid, menthol, lavender oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. The company claims it can eliminate fungal infections quickly and effectively, all while soothing irritation and leaving no odor. Sounds great on paper, right? But here's where things get tricky. Despite all the hype, Blinzador lacks FDA approval and isn't backed by solid clinical research. That means there's no verified medical proof that it can actually cure fungal infections. Then there's the online reviews. Right after its release, the product was flooded with flawless customer feedback. That raises some red flags about authenticity. It's rare to see a brand new product with nothing but perfect reviews. Now, let's talk ingredients. Some of the natural oils may provide minor soothing effects for irritation, but there's no scientific evidence that they can fully treat or cure fungus on their own. The company also doesn't provide clear details about production or certifications, which makes it hard to trust their claims completely. So, what does that mean for you? While Blinzador might help with temporary relief, it should not replace professional medical treatment. If you're struggling with persistent foot or toenail fungus, the safest move is to consult a healthcare provider before trying any new antifungal solution. In short, Blinzador is interesting but unproven. It may soothe, but it isn't a medically validated cure. Always do your research and make informed decisions before using any health product. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. Stay safe and take care of your feet.